In this BigCRM video guide, I will demonstrate how to quickly set up an email campaign to automate review and feedback request emails. There are three types of campaigns available in BigCRM, including all campaigns, active campaigns, and sample campaigns. Sample campaigns are designed for users who want to quickly set up automated email campaigns. Once you log into BigCRM, visit Sample Campaigns under the Campaign tab to start setting up your first email campaign. In the sample campaigns, two email templates are available: feedback request and review request. If you want to examine how the emails sent by a campaign look like in an inbox, you can set the test status to on and click Send Test Email to deliver a test email to your inbox. If you wish to change your test email address, click the Edit icon to change the email information required to send the test email. Update the information and click the Save button. In the Actions column, you can click on View Campaign to see the sample campaign details. If you wish to start sending out emails using that campaign, click on Make a Copy and select the marketplace you want the campaign to be copied to. This sample campaign will then be created in the All Campaigns on the marketplace you have selected. You can now go to All Campaigns and set the copied campaign status to Active to start sending out emails. If you wish to edit your email campaign before you send out emails, simply click the Edit button for that campaign under the Actions column. This concludes the video on how to quickly set up an email campaign on BigCRM. If you require assistance in setting up campaigns, please contact BQool support on our live chat. Alternatively, you can email us at support@bqool.com for further assistance.